Wagwan everybody, it's your girl Jordyn and I'm back at it again with another video. Like really fucking scared. My family's not here. I feel like they wouldn't care what I do with my hair because they just look at me crazy like, why would you do that? But I'm going to relax my hair. I've been natural for years. I've done 3 big chops, so this is my 3rd. Probably wouldn't be considered a big chop. It's probably cutting off ends, but literally these are my dead ends. Like these are all my dead ends. Like you can just, I have all the stuff with me. I have some like deep conditioner, some coconut oil because my hair works so like much better with coconut oil. I have Just Me. I don't know if it's the same chemical process as like the adult version, but I'm gonna use this as regular. So I'm going to do it, and I love my hair in this like really particular bob. It's short, it's cute. I look more mature. I should have bought scrunchies, but you know. So scared. Oh my god. So I put it on my head. I cut it. Y'all probably about to bash me like, you put it on the wrong way. You're supposed to use popsicle sticks. Suck my balls. I'm gonna put it on for like 13 minutes. Only because it says course here 20 minutes, but I feel like I put it on more, you know, the application time, the smooth time, I think I put it on more. So I'm not gonna like, I know I'm stupid, but I ain't dumb. So just, can y'all make the little instructions easier? Like, us black people don't read instructions. We just say fuck it. We just go about our day, you know? So I'm back. I left it on for 13 minutes like I said, but I'm probably going to wash this out when I get in the shower. Like I said, I want to leave it on long as possible. Okay. I mean, my hair isn't falling out, and it's still in the conditioner. Yeah, my hair isn't falling out, so I'm not mad. Alright, so I'm about to go take a shower, and I'm about to rinse all of this out. Okay, so this is it. This feels lightly, and I'm gonna flat iron my hair right now. It's taking very good on heat. So this is my hair now, and you see how flowy it is. But I pretty much like the hair. I can flip it. I could put it into a middle part, but if I want to put it into a middle part, I gotta do it differently. So yeah, I'm about to put some oil in my hair. I got this That is it for the video. I really hope you liked this video. I'm about to tie it the fuck up because I don't have time. Yeah, that's it for my video. Really hope you liked this video. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm tired. It's like 10:13. I started at like at 6. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you know, turn on post notifications for more, and like this video, and you know, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video.